Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft. First, you will need to choose your preferred version of Minecraft, such as Java or Bedrock Edition, which offers cross-platform play. Next, ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for a smooth experience, typically requiring at least 4 GB of RAM. Then, download and install the game from the official Minecraft website. Finally, create a new world or join an existing server to begin your exciting adventure in this blocky universe. Mastering the basic controls is crucial for your Minecraft journey. Use the W, A, S, D keys for movement, allowing you to explore vast landscapes. The left mouse button breaks blocks, while the right mouse button places them, letting you build anything imaginable. Press E to open your inventory, where you can manage your items and access the crafting grid. Combine raw materials like wood and stone to create vital tools, weapons, and armor, enhancing your survival. Survival is key in Minecraft. Start by gathering essential resources like wood for tools and food to maintain your hunger level. Always build a basic shelter before nightfall to protect yourself from hostile creatures like zombies and skeletons. Explore the game's diverse biomes, from snowy tundras to vast oceans, each offering unique resources and challenges. Venture deep into caves to mine for valuable ores such as iron, gold, and diamonds, which are crucial for crafting powerful gear. Once you've mastered the basics, delve into advanced gameplay. Experiment with redstone to build intricate automated farms or elaborate traps. Engage in activities like farming crops, enchanting your tools for better performance, and brewing potions for special effects. Join online servers to collaborate with friends, participate in exciting minigames, or explore massive community-built worlds. Share your amazing creations and learn new techniques from the vibrant global Minecraft community.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.